I'm more of a reader rather than a writer, but I'm writing my story to strengthen your faith in the law, and as a way of giving back to this lovely community that helped me a lot. Last July, before knowing Neville, I was dying to get a job and kept getting rejections for months. My situation was so difficult, living with a psychologically abusive partner in a foreign country, with no support network or independent income, and he was laughing at me so badly for not being able to get a job. I found an ad for a university tutor role. I applied and had 2 interviews, and it was implied to me that I got the job. Then out of the blue, they told me I wasn't successful and offered me a casual marker job where I mark assessments from home. I was frustrated, but I accepted the offer because that was the only thing I could have. I did that for 6 months and the pay wasn't great. During that time I got into spirituality and got to know Neville, and I started doing some inner work. I didn't read Neville's books or listen to lectures, just read different posts here and there. In January, the same place posted for a tutor. I applied at 12 a.m. and affirmed, "They're calling me in the morning and there will be no interviews." At 9 a.m., I got a call and was told there would be an interview. So I told the universe, but I said no interviews. Unlike me, I didn't prepare for that interview and it was just a matter of formality. They thanked me for applying and for the great work I did for them, asked whether I'd like to work full-time or part-time and what subjects I'd like to tutor. Before starting that job, I affirmed, "Everyone in the new place will like and support me, and I'm going to thrive in that place," and that's exactly what happened. Now the normal progression after tutoring is lecturing. I didn't have hopes about lecturing and was satisfied being a tutor. However, my manifestation about being supported showed in my lecturer, sending an email to our 3 bosses in June recommending that I become a lecturer. But that didn't happen. I told my lecturer then, "I'll get it in the right time or get something better." I started that job in February 2022. A few days ago, I was sitting on the bus on the way home and dreaming of getting a pay raise. Next morning, I received an email from CEO offering me a leadership position even higher than lecturer. What I did: mental diet in SATs. Nothing fancy or difficult. This really works, just persist. Subscribe if you like this video.